Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install KRNL Executor for Roblox on your PC. First of all, what you have to do is simply type in KRNL. Now on the top search result, you will be able to see KRNL Executor official website. You can also take a screenshot of my screen and see the website here. Now simply select the Android button, scroll down, and click on download. Click on the top link. It will open a new tab. Now simply select the download button once again. As you can see, a file will start to download on your PC. You have to wait just a bit until the download completes. While the file is downloading, you can open a new window and type in MuMu player. Select the top search result and you can download and install MuMu player for your Windows. Click on download for Windows. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now what you have to do is open your file explorer and double click MuMu player to install MuMu player. Click on install now. Once the MuMu player has been installed, simply click on the play button to launch your new Android device emulator. Click on allow. Once you have installed and launched the MuMu player, what you have to do is open your file explorer and find the KRNL file that you have just installed on your PC, and just drag and drop that file into the MuMu player and wait for MuMu player to install that APK file. Once the file has been installed, open Roblox application, click on sign in, enter your username and password. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed KRNL Executor on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.